I'm going to give you 4 wonderful tips to become an effective public speaker right now without any delay. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 wonderful tips which will help you to become an effective public speaker. With your speech, you can move the audience. With your speech, you can cast spell among the audience. With your speech, you can change even the mindset of the people. Public speaking is not a joke. Public speaking is not very easy. Whoever has tried public speaking first time, they might have experienced a kind of a heart attack on stage when they see a large gathering in front of them, when they have seen a huge audience in front of them. Public speaking is not a matter of joke. Public speaking is very difficult to master. But I'm going to give you 4 amazing tips with which you can become an effective public speaker. There are so many people in this world who are considered to be the best speakers. For example, in olden days, Gandhiji was considered as the best speaker. Gandhiji could move the entire nation with his speech. People started following Gandhiji blindly after listening to his speeches. He has the power to move the entire nation. His speeches made the entire nation united. He united the people through his speeches, and Gandhiji brought independence to India. To this present generation, I can give you 2 or 3 best examples for best speakers in the public. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has power to move people, to mesmerize people with his speeches. One more example I can give you is Shashi Tharoor. Mr. Shashi Tharoor, with his speeches, made a huge fan following. People like to listen to their speeches. I can give you one more example for one of the best speakers in the present generation is our Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu. If you observe the speeches of these people, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, or Honorable Vice President Venkaiah Naidu and Mr. Shashi Tharoor, you can see they can mesmerize people with their speeches. People like to listen to their speeches. People love to listen to their speeches. They speak in such a way that we will forget everything in our life and will concentrate on what they are speaking. So that is the power of good speakers, and that is the power of good speech. So I'm going to give you 4 important tips which will make you to become an effective public speaker. Tip number 1 is practice your speech before presenting in front of the audience. If you don't practice the speech which you want to give in front of the audience, you will fumble somewhere, you will struck somewhere, and you cannot become a good effective speaker. So the tip number 1 is practice well. Practice your speech before going to speak in front of the audience. The more you practice, the more effective you can speak. So practice is the number 1 tip and the most important tip you have to understand. So practicing the speech many times before going and presenting the speech in front of audience is the most important factor you have to remember. If you don't practice the speech which you want to speak in front of the audience, sometimes you may get confused while you are giving speech to the audience. It is very natural when you see so many people in front of you, so many people are looking at you, we generally feel nervous, and because of the nervousness, sometimes we lose most of the information which we want to present in the speech. So practice well. Practice again and again in front of a mirror or in front of some people whom do you trust very much, and correct yourself and check your body language, how you are presenting in front of the audience. Stand in front of the mirror, check your body language, and ask somebody who is very close to you who can rectify your mistakes. So practice well. Before going to give a speech, you have to practice as many times as possible. So the number 1 tip is you always have to practice your speech before you give speech in front of the audience. And one more thing, don't try to memorize your speech. If you try to memorize your speech, in between sometimes if you get distracted or if you lose concentration, you cannot recollect what you have memorized. So never try to memorize your speech. Remember what you want to speak, but don't try to memorize your speech. Practice well. If you do practice properly, automatically you speak in front of the audience without any kind of problem. So the tip number 1 is practice well before you present the speech. Don't try to memorize. Tip number 2 is confidence. You should sound confident in front of audience. People who are watching you should feel that you are speaking with a confident voice. You are confident speaker. People should believe that, people should trust that whatever you are speaking is correct. So those people who have practiced well, they gain confidence and they speak the speech with confidence. Your body language, your tone, your voice should reflect the confidence of you. So speak with confidence. Whatever you speak, if you speak with confidence, even though you speak wrong information, even though you give false information, but people will trust you. That is the power of the speech with confidence. People who speak with confidence, they can move people, they change the mindsets of the people. But how to gain confidence while speaking? Before speaking, you have to do research about the topic which you want to present in front of the audience. If you do a lot of research and if you gather a lot of information and if you know whether the information is correct or wrong before you present the audience, automatically you gain confidence. That means people who are having subject knowledge, people who have correct information, automatically they feel confident before speaking the audience, and while giving speech, automatically they feel confident because they trust the source of the information and they believe that whatever they are speaking is correct, authentic, so automatically they feel confidence. So confidence is one of the most important factors to make you to become an effective public speaker. Speak with confidence. Your body language, your tone, your voice, your eyes should reflect the confidence in you. People trust you if you speak with confidence. So point number 2 is confidence makes a speaker to become an effective speaker. People who speak with confidence in public gathering, they will attract so many people. They make people believe that whatever they are speaking is correct. Tip number 3 is connect with your audience as early as possible. If you are going to speak to kids, you should behave like a kid. If you are speaking to adults, you should behave like an adult. And the most important thing is when you start speech, within 8 to 10 seconds, you have to connect with your audience. If you don't connect with your audience and if you don't attract the audience and if you don't gain the attention from the audience, whatever you are going to speak, they are not going to listen. First 10 to 15 seconds, first 10 to 20 seconds is the most crucial period of your speech. If you don't attract the audience in the first 10 to 15 minutes of your speech, you cannot gain their attention throughout your speech. So you have to connect to your audience as early as possible, as quickly as possible the moment you start speaking. To get connected with your audience, you should know the pulse of your audience. What are they? Who are they? What is their background? What is their educational level? What is their psychology? If you know all these things, you can easily get connected with your audience. Some other ways to connect with your audience is start with an anecdote or start with a story. Tell them joke or show something which will attract the audience towards your speech. If you don't attract your audience in the first 10 to 15 seconds, whatever you are going to speak, they are not going to listen to you. So get connected with your audience, know the pulse of your audience, attract the audience and get connected with the audience and become an effective public speaker. So tip number 3 is connect with your audience as early as possible. Tip number 4 is keep your speech short and sweet. Don't elaborate your speech unnecessarily. If your topic deserves only 3 minutes, speak only 3 minutes. If your topic demands 5 minutes, then conclude your topic within 5 minutes. If your topic deserves 10 minutes, then speak 10 minutes. Don't speak unnecessarily in front of the audience. Nobody wants to listen to unnecessary information. Generally, speeches are considered very, very boring. So don't speak unnecessarily. Don't speak too much in front of the audience. Keep your speech sweet and short. The real technique is when your audience wanted to hear you more, you have to stop your speech. This is the best way to become an effective public speaker. Don't prolong your speech. Don't unnecessarily extend your speech. So these are the 4 important tips which will make you an effective public speaker. Tip number 1, practice the speech. Don't memorize your speech. Tip number 2, have confidence. Speak with confidence. Tip number 3, connect with your audience as quickly as possible. And tip number 4, keep your speech sweet and short. Brevity is the wit of the soul. And last thing is be yourself. Don't imitate others. Don't follow others. You have to be yourself. That will make you a good and effective public speaker. So these are the 4 wonderful tips which will make you to become an effective public speaker. Use these tips and cast a spell on your audience, mesmerize people, hypnotize people, but do these things for a good purpose. Don't use these techniques to fool people, to cheat people. Use these techniques to become a good speaker, an effective speaker, to bring a change in this world. So thanks for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Swami Vijay, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe and stay strong. All the best.